Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. We are back with another model. So for this beauty here, I loved her hair. I applied probably CC cream or foundation. She may have brought her own foundation. It's really been a minute, y'all, and I'm trying to edit these videos and get them out because I know y'all want to see me do other people's makeup. So yeah. So I did cleanse, tone, and moisturize her just as well as I did all of them. I went in with a foundation. I highlighted her, which I am blending in now. And of course, I'm using my flat top kabuki brush. You can get it from my website. I got her to look up so that I can get under the eye. And then I went in and set everything. And to set, I just press that powder in. Anything that is left over, I just brush it away. And I put this setting powder all over her face, and to bring some warmth back in, I did that with the blush, contour, and the highlighting. This is my Acti Labs blush palette, one of the best blush palettes that I have ever used. I love it. I even like to use it on myself. This is the highlighting and contour palette, which I feel like is better for her skin complexion. And the contour, of course, is going to get those cheeks snatched. It's going to bring that bone structure to life. I don't know why my husband got that angle, but okay. So I also contour on the sides of the nose, which is something you could have noticed in the other videos. I don't really like to do a lot of liquid contouring on the nose. Sometimes I find that it could be a little too much, especially if the person's nose is already defined. Even for my little button nose, I don't really like that strong nose look. Some people like it. I just don't think it's for me. So for her eyeshadow, I'm using the BH Cosmetics palette again, and these colors in this palette are amazing. I've used this palette so many times on myself. It's really like an everyday palette. And for her, because we were pressed for time, I did a little technique that I like to do when I'm in a rush. And basically what this technique entails is starting at the lash line and kind of working your way up. And with this, you can use 1 to 2 colors. This is really quick and easy. Just pop some color on the lid and go kind of look. So you can put like a lighter shade under the brow bone and then take a color and work it from the lash line going upward and kind of diffuse it out, and it's gonna get the job done. See, that look good already, and I just put a little color on there. And you can see I'm holding up that brow a little bit just so that I can get under there and really blend. As y'all can see, I'm trying to see and focus on what I'm doing. Y'all see the other model walking in the back? So here I'm just going back into that lighter shade to make sure that it's blended nicely. For her brows, we didn't do much at all. We were in a rush, and I think she had to get out quickly, so I just popped some gloss on her and she went over to get dressed. And this is the finished look. Flawless, of course. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the models that I did for the Glitz and Glam bridal event. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.